Setting up your email signature on your iPhone. This tutorial will show you how to set up your email signature on your iPhone. First, locate and press the settings icon. It may be on a different screen or in a different location than shown here. Scroll down, then select Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Scroll down, select the Signature option. Enter your signature here. It should be something that you want automatically added to the end of the emails you send from your iPhone. When finished, press the Mail button to go back. Success! Your new signature has been saved, as you can see here. Let's return to the home screen by pressing the Home button on the iPhone. Let's test the signature. Press the Mail icon here. Note, the icon may be in a different location on your iPhone. Press here to start composing a new email message. There it is! Our signature has automatically been added to the bottom of this email we were about to create. That's it! You now know how to set up your email signature on your iPhone.